Hello, this is Japanese Economic Review Channel. Today we will review the April 2026 revised business conditions indicators released by the Cabinet Office. The official revision confirms a stronger macroeconomic outlook, driven by robust industrial activity and newly incorporated labor data. Let's dive into the details. The most critical highlight today is the base judgment upgrade to improving. The coincident index reached 118.1, up 1.3 points. The leading index hit 116.1, and the lagging index rose to 111.9. All three major indexes demonstrate synchronized, positive momentum. When mapping these indexes to the business cycle, we observe a synchronized upward movement across all three time horizons. The simultaneous rise in future, present, and past indicators mathematically confirms the improving base judgment and a broad-based recovery. Why did this upward revision occur? Crucial data missing from the preliminary report, such as real machinery orders and the labor input index, were finalized. This late arrival of robust labor and service sector data fundamentally upgraded our macroeconomic perspective. Focusing on the present, the coincident index at 118.1 has broken above both its 3-month and 7-month moving averages, which rose by 0.06 and 0.43 points respectively. This establishes a solid upward trend, proving the current economic momentum is sustained, not temporary. Looking at micro drivers, strong domestic activity is offsetting export weakness. Investment goods shipments contributed plus 0.51 points, and labor input plus 0.38 points, while export volumes dragged by minus 0.26 points. Aggressive domestic industrial investment is powering the expansion. Turning to the future, the leading index surged by 0.7 points to 116.1. Its moving averages show high momentum, with the 3-month average up 1.20 points. This sharp acceleration suggests a highly robust runway for economic growth over the next 2 quarters. However, future drivers reveal a K-shaped outlook. While corporate indicators like the Nikkei Commodity Index, plus 0.64 points, flash green, consumer confidence, minus 0.42 points, and housing starts, minus 0.52 points, face distinct headwinds. We must carefully monitor this polarization. The lagging index structurally confirms this expansion phase. Revised upwards to 111.9, it completely reversed the preliminary downward drift with a plus 0.3 point positive hook. This provides the ultimate lagging confirmation of our positive macroeconomic narrative. This lagging confirmation is heavily driven by employment and wage factors. Falling unemployment positively contributed plus 0.24 points, alongside improvements in scheduled cash earnings, plus 0.44 points. This reflects an economy that is heating up, translating into tighter labor markets. In synthesis, our real-world themes show strong engines in the industrial and corporate sectors, fueled by solid capital expenditure and high liquidity. Conversely, the consumer sector faces friction, remaining pressured by structural inflation and cautious household sentiment. In conclusion, April's revisions conclusively establish an upward, B2B-driven economic phase. While corporate investment is strong, consumer sentiment remains our primary risk. The next preliminary report for May 2026 is scheduled for release on July 7th. Thank you for watching the Japanese Economic Review. We look forward to having you with us again.